Before I found Self-Coaching Scholars, I had tried a million diets. I had gained and lost the same 30 pounds over and over and over again. Every time I gained it back, I gained back 10, 20 more. I had gotten to the size that I said I would never get to. I had a very stressful job and I took on more responsibility. By the time I got home, I was so stressed out. I went into the pantry and I would eat everything and not even be aware of what I was eating. Then I would cook dinner and eat that. And then I would drink a couple glasses of wine in the evening. And this became a daily occurrence. I was totally numbing all my emotions. I wasn't even aware of what I was putting in my mouth. And when you don't realize how much you're putting in your mouth, then the weight, it just keeps coming on. And I thought I was doing everything right because during the day, I was eating healthy, but I was eating 6 small meals a day. So my insulin levels were always high. And I was starving to death. I was hungry all the time. And I was just like, I can't do this anymore. I didn't want to be a person who used food and alcohol to deal with things. That's not the kind of person I wanted to be. But I didn't know how to change until I found Brooke and Self-Coaching Scholars. One of the mentors on Self-Coaching Scholars, I heard her say, nobody's holding a gun to your head. It's your choice to eat that way. And like a light bulb went off in my brain. I was just like, that's right, it's my choice. I decided October 1st, I went all in. I said, I'm gonna do this and I'm ripping the Band-Aid off and I'm doing it. And so I did. I did it for a month and I lost 12 pounds. And I felt great. I wanted to lose 55 pounds. I decided however long it takes, it took me 4 months to lose the last 10 pounds, but I didn't care. Every day I said, I'm gonna do what it takes to lose the last 10 pounds. And so I finally, after 1 year, lost the 55 pounds. If you do the workbooks and you do them every day, you can learn so much about yourself. Believing in yourself is worth the time and the effort. Believing in yourself, believing that you can do something, and believing that you're worthy of getting it done. Making decisions ahead of time has changed my life. Planning your meals and your drinks 24 hours in advance, I call that the secret sauce because that's exactly what it is. That really was a real key to my success. My continued success. Self-Coaching Scholars is a way to achieve your dreams.